Hello everyone, how to do it? Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to watch dramas and movies on FreeShort. So first of all, you need to install this application from Google Play Store and App Store. So you can see here, then simply tap on the open button. So they said it's 100% free, so let me check. So here you can see this is the episode, and it's the dubbed. Like you'll get here a couple of language, so you can choose. It's really amazing videos. You can see here new, male, female. So tap here my, so you can create your account here, or you can invite your friend to, like you can copy and you can invite this link to your friends. So how can you watch? So you can see here short. So simply tap on the short, then you will find here, and also you can search the drama you like. I don't know, it will update it. There are a lot of things. Okay, so you can find this way, then you can watch that. It's totally free. And other things, if you want to see, tap the short and